Di ba? Pag may paputok, happy.
Aww.
Oh, thank you for being there.
More Dior for the more Dior.
Baliwag. Swabing budol. True Kim
Guys,
Porbin.
ala na bang ano diyan? Fireworks. Pagod na sa isang mag-end. My God. Inspiration ko.
Tapos na palit. New Year. Kakalpot naman yung paputok.
No, guys, do you all agree with me na Kim Poy really killed and smashed out this Vlogmas? Magputukan tayo dyan if kung agree po kayo na he really smashed out Vlogmas. Like,
yeah, I'm actually really proud of that Vlogmas kasi, you know, ako daw una nagpaiyak sa kanya, sabi ni Umay this year.
We stand with the right guy.
No, like, I'm very proud of my Vlogmas this year kasi hindi siya mema. Like, you know, like a lot of my videos really are good videos, you know?
But I think, you know, this Vlogmas is like a side, obviously, they haven't seen of you before.
Mm-mm.
Yeah?
Mm-mm. Dami kong nagawa, ano?
Dami nilang na-meet as well.
Oh, I got to introduce you. I got to make videos with Ate, Ninang, our family.
Like, you know, guys, ito, si Insan, he really shares his blessings. Like, nakuha niya yung happiness niya pag sinashare niya yung blessings niya. Diba?
Yeah. Siyempre, guys, ano ba yung, what's happiness kung ikaw lang happy, di ba?
Yeah, you always tell me that.
Kasi guys, I don't want to say it because what's the point?
No, just say it.
No, like, I really love parang treating them. Kunwari, kakain kami. I always love paying for it. Like, mga simple road trip namin ni Insan, I always want to pay for the gas. Yung mga ganun simple things, guys. Kasi syempre,
yung mga like madami kayong hindi nakikita talaga. Like, I wish I can really share everything.
Yeah, but I don't want to say it because
swerte na magiging girlfriend. Ay, totoo po.
Nah, I just find the happiness when I make people happy.
Sabi ko sa kanya, if you're gonna find a girl and she doesn't love you as much as I love you, go away na. Like, seriously, he deserves a queen. You do deserve a queen. Hello po, baka naman bigyan na yan. Queen ang head.
Sige, wag nang putukan. Girlfriend na lang i-send nyo, guys.
Boyfriend has been material.
Salamat.
You're really a king because you've been raised by a queen. Ganon. Yeah. He deserved Mayora. You know, guys, parang, yeah, alam mo, boto talaga ako kayang Anghet. Anghet na walang Anghet. Si Anghet yung queen. Alam ko yan.
Gigi the Traveler, what's up?
Ano na bang paputok diyan? Ano ba? Uwi?
Oh, baba. Guys, uuwi na
ako. Uuwi na ako. Ba't na-smile? Bakit ka ba na-smile? Naghihintayan lang nga. My God. Kinig.
Baliw. Guys, alam ninyo. Ipagsak nyo na yan, guys.
Guys, alala bang, paputok yan, uuwi na ako. Napapagod na ako.
Dami nang sinabi.
Dami na nag-share. Oh my God. I love you all. Sa mga newcomers, hello. Baka may palpilipin.
Dami naubos na daw. Kaya yung pambagsak. End na lang tayo. End na natin.
I-end namin to.
Thank you so much, guys.
I-end namin to because we
Hey, what's up for a change? Uy, Thank you, John Michael. Guys, if you haven't followed me, just click here. Grabe si
Guys,
Cookie.
napakasaya ko.